Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and it is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into Acuity anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and you want to add them into your Acuity to help manage your clients. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add an admin or a team member, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on your name. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the accounts you have in Squarespace, but you want to look for your Acuity account right here. And up here on the top right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on permissions. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add an admin or a team member. So first, what you're going to do is go ahead and click on invite contributor. Okay, once you do that, you're going to enter in their name and their email address. Make sure that you enter in their correct email address because they will need accept an invitation. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and then choose the permissions that you're going to give this person. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and add them as an admin. And next you want to click on invite. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been added in as an administrator to my Acuity scheduling. Now they're not going to get access until they check their email and accept that invitation. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.